This video covers the configuration process of MATLAB with its support packages. While installing the MATLAB, you don't need to install all the packages or the products available with you. I made some screenshots. You can see here while installing, when you see this window installation type, go for custom, and you don't select all these things, you just simply uncheck this product. We need the first two, MATLAB, Simulink. If you are dealing with control system toolbox, control systems, you need this control system toolbox, and we need the embedded coder also. Why? Because we are about to program our hardware controllers using MATLAB. Along with that embedded coder, you need MATLAB coder if you are working with MATLAB codes like M-file or some code written in MATLAB main windows. You need this coder where your work will be converted into code using code generation tools. Similarly, most of the people will work with Simulink, so we'll go for Sim Power Systems toolbox, and without Simscape it will not work. So you need Simscape. Along with that, you need Simulink coder. Why? Because your Simulink work need to be converted into code using code generation tools. So these packages are enough to work with the hardware controllers with our MATLAB. Okay, now if I open the MATLAB, okay, this is our main MATLAB window. If you open the Simulink library, okay, fine. You can see here we got the control system toolbox, embedded coder, and we got some targets. I will see these things later, and we got Sim Power Systems under Simscape. Fine. Right now we don't have any hardware support packages like Arduino or Texas Instruments C2000 controllers, Xilinx, Raspberry Pi, like this. We don't have anything. So now we'll install the support packages here. The first day I'm going to install the Arduino support package. So for that, you need to go to this add-ons, hardware support package. If you already downloaded the support packages, directly you can choose install from folder. If you are doing this for the first time, go to install from internet. Next, we got all the available support packages for the available hardware controllers. You can see Xilinx based FPGA boards, and we got Texas Instruments C2000 controller, even STM32 discovery boards are also there. In MATLAB 2017B, I have seen STM32F nuclear boards are also available. So that's good to have those support packages in the MATLAB. Fine, Raspberry Pi. Okay, I'm going with Arduino, and next login. So I accept. It is downloading and it's getting installed. Once the installation has finished, you should get an error stating that the downloaded package Arduino 1.0 version is an invalid zip. So this is the error we should get. So it is invalid zip file, which is Arduino 1.0 windows.zip. So we need to download a fresh copy from the official Arduino website of this version 1.0. So go to your browser, and here Arduino old download. So old software releases. If you come down, you can find Arduino 1.0.x. So in this, you have to download this 1.0 version. So downloading it. Okay, so the file is downloaded. And now we need to replace the old corrupted file with this fresh copy. Before going to do that, first close everything, including the MATLAB main window. Now open your explorers. So here, if you open the C drive, you got the basic OS files here. You have one MATLAB folder along with the installation directory from program files. If you see into these program files, you got one more MATLAB folder which is the actual installation directory. Here you can find all your 2013B supporting files, installation files. So you should not go to this folder. You have to go to the MATLAB folder which is directly available in C drive, not in the program files folder. So open MATLAB, support packages 13B. You got two folders here, downloads and Arduino. Already we tried to install this Arduino just few minutes back, where we got the error that unzipping an invalid zip file. So that history, that entire process has been stored in this folder Arduino. So better delete this. Now in this downloads, so these are the files we downloaded. We can see Arduino 1.0 Windows, which is 1 KB, is it is a corrupted file. So computer, in downloads I got my Arduino 1.0 Windows. So what I'll do is simply I'll drag this here, move and replace. Now my Arduino 1.0 Windows is something around 87 MB. Fine. Now close this. Again open your MATLAB. Again go to add-on, support packages. We have already downloaded the file, so install from folder. So browse to the downloaded file. As I said, it is in C drive, MATLAB, support packages, 13B, downloads, Arduino download. So you should be on this page. So most of the people they will be in the wrong page, like at this stage you can see the Arduino download folder. So they'll select the folder here, which they may fail in installing the Arduino support package. So you should open this and then select the folder. Next, I accept. Okay, now the installation has been finished. So open the Simulink library. Now you can see the Simulink support package for Arduino hardware. So under this Arduino hardware support package, you got three folders: common, Ethernet shield and examples. Under the common, you got some toolboxes like digital output, PWM, digital input analog. Few toolboxes are available. Okay, I'll show you how to use these things in the next video.